Welcome to another episode of Feng Shui for Success, where we demystify the metaphysical secrets to help you achieve a balanced and vibrant life. I'm Christine, your host, and together with my wonderful co-host Terry, we have an exciting episode lined up that's all about health and wellness through the lens of Feng Shui and birth chart insights.
Hi again, and welcome back, everyone. I'm Terry, and I'm really thrilled to dive into today's topic. If you're looking to improve your health or simply want to enhance your well-being, this episode is for you. We'll be discussing how your birth chart, when paired with Feng Shui practices, can uncover valuable insights into your health challenges and practical ways to overcome them. Together, we'll explore actionable Feng Shui adjustments you can implement at your home alongside the hidden wisdom within your birth chart. This is to help you cultivate a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Let's get started, Christine.
If you are experiencing persistent, non-life-threatening health or vitality concerns and can't seem to find the root cause or effective solutions, this episode might offer valuable insights. By examining your home settings through the lens of metaphysics, you may uncover practical tips to enhance your well-being. As Feng Shui practitioners, Terry and I have encountered many real-life cases, and we hope that one day you will feel inspired to share your own story with us. Maintaining a healthy body, mind, and soul is the foundation for success in every area of life. When our health is in harmony, we are better prepared to approach challenges with creativity, focus, and resilience. A balanced state not only enhances our problem-solving skills, but also ensures sustained energy and sharpness. Truly, health is one of the most valuable assets anyone can have. Let's begin with the very influential energy mapping for this year 2025, known in the metaphysical terms as the annual Flying Star Feng Shui. As discussed in our previous episodes, the sectors to pay special attention to this year are the center and the northeast areas of your living space.
Yeah, that's absolutely right, Christine. These sectors are affected by negative illness energies, identified as stars 2 and 5 in Feng Shui. If someone in your household has pre-existing health conditions, it is highly advisable to avoid using these spaces as bathrooms or workstations and ensure these sectors remain inactive. To illustrate, such items such as fountains, clocks, and living plants possess what's called yang energy, which can inadvertently activate these energies.
Yang energy in simple terms represent active, lively, and vibrant energy. It is associated with movement, brightness, heat, and activity.
Some really good examples are the sun, a busy marketplace, or even a bright light. These all represent yang energy, and because they are dynamic and full of life.
In Feng Shui, yang energy can activate or amplify the energy of a space, which is why it is essential to use it carefully, especially in areas with negative influences.
True, and here are some simple signs that may be affected by illness energies. You might be experiencing recurring colds, struggling with poor sleep quality, feeling constantly drained or even fatigued, dealing with frequent headaches, or suffering from a persistent cough. These are great examples and telltale signs.
Anyway, if avoiding those sectors is not an option, there are simple Feng Shui remedies to reduce the negative energy vibrations. Firstly, incorporating metal objects in these areas can help balance the illness energy, which is associated with earth elements.
Yes, good metals to use are like gold, pewter, copper, and even silver. This can be used. For example, please try to make your metal objects proportional to your room. Try not to use a small coin or something as a room filling metal. It's too small. And you also don't want a 6-foot, metal plant or something. Try to make it proportional to your house or the room. You could place this in the center or northeast sectors to help mitigate the negative energies.
That's excellent point, Cherry. So the second Feng Shui remedy that complements the first is decluttering. Simplifying your space is one of the easiest and most effective ways to create harmonic good energy. By clearing out unnecessary items, you allow positive energy to flow more freely.
And in particular, focus on removing any large, non-functional items, again, that is non-functional items that are merely gathering dust. Such objects obstruct the natural flow of energy, or qi, and can negatively impact your overall well-being. Decluttering is a simple and very powerful way to restore balance of energy and harmony to your space.
And don't forget about water features in your space. If you have any in your home, especially in areas connected to health, wealth, and any of your personal auspicious sectors, it is crucial to ensure the water is always clean and fresh. Stagnant or dirty water in your health sector can disrupt the energy flow and definitely negatively impact your health sector.
Thirdly, if you are considering any renovations this year, particularly in the Northeast and Center sectors, we strongly recommend postponing these plans if at all possible. Renovations in these areas could potentially activate the negative illness energy, which we want to avoid at all costs.
Definitely something to keep in mind. After the break, we will talk about the hidden wisdom in your birth chart. So please stay tuned. Welcome back. In this segment, we will uncover those hidden health messages that are incredibly valuable to know. Every individual has personal sectors that resonate most with health-related matters. In metaphysics, this is referred to as your TNE or heavenly doctor direction. Sleeping with your head aligned toward your personal health direction, which can be determined through your birth chart reading, can boost your health and vitality, provided that is an auspicious direction of the year, right? So however, at the same time, make sure there are no sharp objects pointed towards you, and avoid positioning your feet towards the door that exits the bedroom.
And when we refer to sharp objects in Feng Shui, this could include features like a wall with a nook-type structure, an overhead beam on the ceiling that creates the sensation of weight that is pressing down on you, or even a large dresser or bureau with corners that visually cut across your bed. To identify such objects, draw an imaginary line from them and envision how they might intersect with your bed or a specific part of your body.
Another example could be a steel or concrete beam in an unfinished basement positioned directly above where you sleep. These elements can disrupt the flow of energy or qi and negatively affect your overall well-being.
Great, Christine. Again, terrific information. Now, let's explore how your birth chart can offer deeply personalized health insights. For instance, based on this year, the 2025 energy map, individuals who were born between 7 and 11 a.m., which are the dragon and snake hours, or 7 and 11 p.m., which are the dog and pig hours, should pay special attention to your health. If you fall into these categories, be extra vigilant about health signals and ensure you get regular medical checkups. Additionally, underlying conditions such as diabetes, previous heart concerns, and even age can increase susceptibility to negative health energies. Recognizing all these factors can help you proactively manage your overall health.
These insights are not meant to alarm you, but As someone with experience as a freelance medical interpreter, I cannot stress enough how important they are. Taking positive or proactive steps to safeguard your health and addressing potential concerns early can spare you from long term medical complications, unnecessary stress, and financial losses.
And another valuable perspective to consider when evaluating a home's layout alongside a resident's birth chart is if the health sector, the area connected to well-being, is missing, and the resident simultaneously has an imbalance in their elements of their birth chart. This can contribute to potential health issues as well.
As described, a missing sector refers to an area absent in a layout plan. For example, in an L-shaped layout, it might have a corner completely missing. If this missing sector aligns with the resident's health sector, it may begin to affect your overall health over time, particularly for those with existing health concerns. With this in mind, it is highly recommended to take layout design into account when choosing your next living space, whether rented or owned.
So in summary, a square layout is ideal. Alternatively, ensure your house plan is thoughtfully designed so that the essential sectors representing your health, wealth, relationships, and even your success are occupiable and not relegated to storage rooms and even toilets. If you're on the lookout for a Feng Shui friendly home to enhance your life experiences and create a balanced, harmonious space, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to guide you on your journey to finding the ideal home that aligns with your goals and well-being.
Remember, there's no such thing as a 100% perfect feng shui house, especially when managing the balance between East and West group birth chart residents within the same living space. Prioritize based on your unique needs, bearing in mind that the flying star occupying each sector shifts annually, so it's a well-known practice to realign and adjust according to the annual energy map. For more insights, follow our podcast and Facebook, and don't stress, there's always a solution.
This is very true, Christy. Feng Shui is more than just interior energy and mapping design. It is a timeless practice that dates back over 5,000 years. Many successful individuals and renowned corporations have embraced its principles to enhance their lives. By tapping into the metaphysical energies of your home and uncovering the hidden insights of your birth chart, you can craft a comprehensive action plan. This plan will help you cultivate a harmonious living space that fosters your health, wealth, and enhanced life experiences.
That's exactly why we are here. Our goal is to inspire you to start viewing your health and living space through the perspectives of Feng Shui and metaphysics. By making thoughtful adjustments, you can cultivate a more energetic environment that supports you and your family members' general wellness.
So let's take a quick recap and the key takeaways from this episode today. Number 1, paying attention to your home's energy. Focus on the center and northeast sectors this year. Use metal objects as remedies to counteract illness energy. Number 2, keep your personal health sector well lit and organized to encourage a smooth flow of positive energy. Number 3, maintain your water features. Regularly clean them to preserve health, enhancing energy in your home. Number 4, align your sleeping direction with your personal health sector. Number 5, understand your birth chart. Again, if you were born between 7 and 11 a.m., which is the dragon and snake hours, or 7 and 11 p.m., which are the dog and pig hours, take very special care of your health this year. Do not forget to schedule your regular checkups with your doctor. Number 6, watch out for missing sectors. Be mindful of any missing sectors in your home layout, especially if they correspond to your health sector. as they may influence your holistic health balance.
And before we wrap up, we are excited to give you a sneak peek into our upcoming episodes, where we will explore Feng Shui for office settings. We hope that the curated content of our podcast inspires you to develop actionable plans that keep you driven and motivated. By exploring insights and practical tips, we aim to empower you to make meaningful changes and stay on track towards your goals. Stay tuned, and as always, take care of your health and overall well-being. Bye for now.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.